So we've been working with the U.S. Special Rapporteur on the rights of peaceful assembly and association for quite some time. That special mandate was adopted by the UN Human Rights Council in 2010, and Mr. Maina Kiai, the current Special Rapporteur, was appointed in 2011. So since the beginning of this special mandate, we've been closely working with his office to make sure that the voices from the various countries are heard in the UN mechanism. We know that many advocacy work in Geneva, the UN Human Rights Council, has been dominated by many international organizations based in Geneva. Our job is to make sure that the local groups, independent civil society groups, who are not necessarily available to reach out to the UN mechanism, have opportunity to engage in the conversation and discussion with the UN Special Rapporteur. So we've been working to organize a series of consultations at the national level, regional level, as well as global level, to solicit various information that might be useful for a UN Special Rapporteur's upcoming reports, solicit specific information that he would like to receive from specific issues in specific countries, and also we'll make sure that information about the UN Special Rapporteur, the reports and its findings, are widely disseminated through the consultation, because we realize that only handful of people in this community knows really about what UN Special Rapporteur does. And what we found is the most important contribution the UN Special Rapporteur makes is to make those information available, so that information can be used as an advocacy tool for local civil society groups, human rights defenders, and advocates to improve the legal frameworks or the political space that they are working in. So one interesting consultation we had so far is actually with faith-based organizations. Often when we engage in advocacy around expanding civic space and the civil society work, there has been a split between so-called political groups working on the governance issues, human rights issues, and the groups that work on service delivery and the humanitarian work. And that split has been actually more harmful in advocating for expanding civic space and the legal reform initiative. What we found by consulting with faith-based organizations is that they actually work with both sides of the civil society sector, the humanitarian work as well as human rights, public policy advocacy work. So we started working with them more and more to see how they can actually bridge these two different sides and join the efforts to expand civic space. So that has been extremely useful but also interesting finding from our experience.